Markets is doing all right. We got pretty much a good reversal lately. So still waiting for some action more from the market. So for today, as we said, we got yeah, SVRE not good. So I think it's a reverse split. XWell is okay. Kids is okay. Top loser, we got Casey and Z or ZENF. ZENV. We have a little bit of pullback market. Yeah, the market is pulling back a little bit. Watching for Coinbase might correct toward the 168 today, or maybe even filling the gap. From yesterday, technically we did 12% now. We have a pullback because we got near a resistance. Yeah, we pulled back right around the resistance, guys. Let's see, now 6%. We need a pullback of 2% would be good. And the other pullback is here, yes. So yeah, Coinbase looking interesting, guys, for a reversal here. BRTX moving again. Uh-huh. BRTX. What's going on with it? Yeah. Yesterday did a huge jump and pulled back a lot and then reverse. Did 40%. Yeah, it's moving again. Want to break the 27 this time. Oh, interesting. Someone said Trump new tariff is a stimulus for the market. I think have both reaction. It's kind of stimulus at the same time a shock. What's going on with Heritage stock? Anyway, so today we've got not a lot of unicorn. This one looking all right, but it hit with a seller around 85. Yeah, that's why it's pulling back now. But it broke the trend, the bearish trend. We broke it, kind of. Yeah, it was really great yesterday, guys. This biotech company. We did a short for it for our hunter to trade this one. Even yesterday, once the price was around the 22, and now it's almost, well, not 22, but $2 38. It was really great, and the price now is near the $2.58. We did the other update for it even here around the 238, as we said. It was really great. Before that, it was an hour live streaming, yes. And before that, the best entry was from the last year, even once the price was in December last year. Once the price was here around the 160, we discussed it on our Discord, and the price jumped by almost 100%. So this one is a slow mover, but on the right trajectory to go higher. Have a drug, phase three. So there's a huge anticipation for it. Um, CRCL, yeah, jumping on good earnings in the pre-market. Yes, sir. CRCL jumping on a good earnings today in the pre-market. It was nearly around the bottom. Now it's getting near a rejection around the 70 something. So it's getting near a resistant. After 20% is big jump, so expect a pullback. But yeah, good catch, man. CRCL looking great. Looking really interesting. For NPXL or NXPL. Not good. No good for this one. It's dead. SGN is rocketing. I don't know. It was yesterday, yeah, down 30%, now reversing 17%. So, two risky players. Now I think it's getting near a seller place around the 69. Yes, it is a bit risky. Yesterday flushed down. But yeah, CRCL might be good to watch and trade maybe. However, I think I already did the move 20%. It already jumped. So maybe we wait for a pullback instead. Because if we have another jump, maybe we can do 4%, but it's too risky. Okay, kids kind of broke the support. Is going to the second support now before the market open around the 11. Check in if we got some interesting play. Yeah, APLD start to move from the support here, the 28.35. Yeah, Coinbase testing the resistance again. Yeah, getting stronger before the market open because of crypto. Crypto market is going strong. Welcome everybody, welcome. Let's get right to it. Yeah, we got 4 minutes left, guys. 4 minutes. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. We got a few unicorn for today. Yeah, a few of them for today. The market is a bit slow, a little bit slow. MIS Mint Incorporation is hitting the scan. MI 33% is not my cup of tea, to be honest. Is good, but not that good. But I will keep it on the list because we don't have other option. This one already squeezed before this month. So if we held the current support here and we didn't flush over the 39, yeah, it will be good because it just came right now. So yeah, it's not completely bad. It's good. SGN, I don't like it, Xander. I just checked it. I don't like the technical that much. Yeah, 15%. If broke the 69 would be good, but Okay, the market is about to open. Oh man, TMDX, what a tricky play. It was green, man. Why is going down? Okay, guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget to support the channel. You are the one who bring life. Is like the sun. Okay, 1 minute left. Holy baloney. And those short sellers, those bastards, shorting before the market open. Okay, let's go. Let's go, everybody. Hopefully this one will reverse at the market open. Come on, go up. Uh, this is nonsense. ABLD, Coinbase, nothing. B is going like crazy again at the market open. MI is holding, kids holding, Mia is holding. CRCL is still going up. Interesting. Nvidia have earnings today. Intel is going down. Coinbase, Palantir, MSTR is still on the green side. MI, we have fake out here around 46. Okay, a huge pullback for APLD. Zoom is pulling back. Yeah, we got light volume and Zoom here. B is kind of stuck around this level. Yeah, I think. Guys, I think I have an issue with the trading view. The percentage doesn't change. Is that happening to you as well or not? Like you see B and APLD, the percentage is locked around the 188. And I thought it's halted, but I think there's a glitch on trading view. Oh my God. Oh my God. It pulled back actually. Yeah, VIR looking strong, guys. It reverse. Unbelievable. Really unbelievable reversal. Yeah, this one have a huge earnings and then flushed. If you remember, guys, this one had earnings, jumped almost 84%, and then flushed down, and now jumping again. Xwell jumped, guys. It hit the profit taken here around the 90 cents. It held over the 75. So Xwell is the only one that looked great for a hunt. The rest is kind of weak. Yeah, if crypto continue to go up, this is might be a good for Coinbase to reverse because technically we're still near the bottom from the earnings. Yeah, everybody ask about SGN. Have a great news. Signing day, sport announcements. Yeah. AI focused initiative for the next generation power advantage digital infrastructure platform. Yeah, it's testing a resistant yeah, around the 60. We need to break this level in order to go toward almost the $1. Let's see how much now it's 15% up. And if it jumped, might jump 15% here and then there. However, it need to hold over the 53 if we don't want to have any surprise. Here we go, David. Watch out for SGN. VIR as well, but I don't trust the technical for it. It hasn't established a strong support for me to enter. XWell, guys, is the only unicorn for today, for my opinion, that look great. As a reminder, guys, XWell was on our pre-market today, pre-market watch list. As you can see here, we said the profit taken is around the 89, then the 95. It was a really great play that we did in the pre-market watch list. Every day we do a watch list, guys. And here we go. We already hit our resistance and profit taken on 96. We always do a pre-market watch list every day, guys. Not just one day, every day before the market open for the main stock that we're trading, the main stock that look great technically. Great hunt for everybody for XWAL. We're gonna do another update later on, so stay tuned for that. DCGL. What the? Yeah, not good. I was surprised nobody told me about it. Now I know. RCKY. Not good as well. Let's see the stock that's been halted today. We got Bria. I think is halted down because I can't see it on the top gainer list. After that, we got ZYBT. Those the two that been halted currently in the market open. Not good. Not good. Actual hit all the levels, guys. And yeah, I think now it's time for a pullback. So what's going on with SMCI? SMCI, guys, as you remember, we got earnings back in the 3rd of February, and we have a huge earnings, and the price is still holding. So there's someone buying and loading for SMCI for the next step ahead. So we're going to discuss the price target for SMCI before the end of this month in February. So before we go further, remember our content is always for educational purposes only. So look at this, SMCI light on volume, but at least we still up 1%, and we still up over this level, over the 29, which is the price that we had a huge wave bought around the earnings. As you can see here, the earnings is especially strong this year and this quarter, 40% suppressed up for the earnings, and 21% for the revenue, 12 billion. However, with the big seller that we have to break to have a major squeeze is the 3464, because if we broke it, SMCI, it could do a huge jump this time, around 17%, 37, and the other level from there, we might do 34%, around 46%, yes, below the $50. $50 is the psychological level that we might hit at the end of this year. If we continue holding over the 27, preferably over the 29, and breaking the 3464 and hold over this current level in order to continue toward the 40 and 50. This is a psychological level, guys, because as you see, from just the shorts, the turning point was in the earnings in November, the 1st of November, where we got a really bad earnings and the price went from the 50 until the 27, almost 50% since then. So now if we want to correct and go higher, we need to hold over the 27 as a bottom, because the last bottom that we visited in 2024 was around $17. Then around 2025, it was around $25 and now 27. So technically, in the big picture, we're still doing higher lows, and this is a bullish side for the trends in the big picture, for SMCI to go higher, and of course continue this majestic jump. And of course, SMCI could be one of the stocks that will do great, like XWell. This one did really great today because we bought it in the pre-market, where we did it on our pre-market watch list. As you can see here, the best entry was around the 76 before the market opened on our Discord, and we suggest for a reversal. The reversal happened, and we hit the $1, and we did I think 30% before the market opened. Yes, as you can see here, we did 40%. So this one really a good example for a reversal. Price pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. Market maker bought here, and here's the squeeze. So those stocks, we always discuss them before the market open, and our Discord and Patreon, guys, for a precise entry, because those play best entry for them is in the pre-market, not during the market open, because during the market open will be already gone. Let me just show you. 50% reversal in the span of just 20 minutes. So it's really crazy. So this is the best trade that we did for today for our hunters, before even our live streaming that we did today around 30 minutes before the market open. So yeah, XWell, we're gonna do another update for it later on, guys, on our Discord, after we finish our trades. and before the market close, because this one could be the top gainer. So 114% and still hitting the levels, breaking most all the levels. So we have to do urgent update for this one later on. In the meantime, as we said, the SMCI looking interesting as long as we hold over the current support, the 27, breaking the 34.64. This is will be the best signal for another squeeze this year. Beyond meat, today we did almost 3%, so another accumulation. The volume is better than yesterday, almost 1 million. So this is really good reaction. We have green day yesterday, today another green day. However, the seller is still there. We're gonna discuss where the price will go and squeeze, because a lot of you waiting for months for this play. Before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. So let me show you what's going on. The main two sellers still there, guys, are on the 82 here around the 10th of February, and the second around the 20th of February, almost 10 days apart. And now we consolidated down, and almost at the end of this month, after another 10 days, maybe we're gonna have the squeeze. This will be a good start for the next month of March if we broke the 82 to go toward the $1 or the main level $1.05. For my opinion, guys, once we break the 82, this will be the first signal for a reversal and momentum shift from the bearish to bullish. And the second shift is once we break the 105, hold over the 105 in order to go toward the 2 and the 3. Because if we broke the $1, this time we might do 70% until almost the $2. However, if we broke the 82, we might do at least 25, 27%. For now, we establish a bottom, as we said, over 64. We have another buyer over the 69. So we have two supports right now, technically, to hold over before the end of this month. Right now it's 3%, so the for Beyond Meat, and the volumes right now is picking up around 3 million. So this is not bad for today. We might have more gains for Beyond Meat on the earnings, because as you see before the earnings we might have a volatility picking up on the 4th of March. So we only got almost 1 week or 10 days before the earnings for Beyond Meat. So we're gonna do a major update, daily update for Beyond Meat. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be one of our member on Discord and Patreon in order to be notified before the market open, because before the market open there is always play wanted to be played, like this one X well. I think this one was the top gainer for today, because have a huge news about 31.3 million private placement. This one have a huge jump for today after, yeah, the best entry was on our pre-market watch list around the 76 before the market opened, and we did this short to warn for a squeeze from this flag. And as you can see here, we squeezed almost 50%, and now I think we are currently halted up. Let me just double check X wall if it's halted up or not. Let me double check. As everybody knows, if the stock has been halted up because of volatility, usually happens because for this reason is LUDP or volatility trade pulse happened after the market opened by yeah, almost 90 minutes after the market open, or 20 minutes, yes, or more, almost 30 minutes. So yeah, we got haltation for XWell and halted around the 122. This one really good example for a squeeze. This is what we want to see to happen to Beyond Meat once we get the short seller squeezed. Right there, they got squeezed around this flag. Once we broke it here, it was the turning point. We're going to discuss Xwell and Beyond Meat later on, guys, on our Discord. So stay tuned for a major update before the market close. And we got many earnings play today after hours. We're going to do a short update for those stocks before the market close, for the play, how to enter and how to exit around those stocks. In the meantime, thank you for watching, guys. I think we have to wrap up our stream for now. But before that, let me just see your question for today. Let's see. Let me just double check. Yeah, Beyond Meat is pulling back a little bit. XWell is still holding up. Silver is still holding the gain. We got B is pulling back. APLD, Coinbase, VIR looking really interesting for today. We got a question on Discord. Don, the QNCX. I will double check it right now, man. Let's see. QNCX. It's good. Not good. Not good. It broke the support, man. If it hold over the 14, will be really great for a reversal. This is it. If it hold over the 14, okay. If it broke the 14, now is game over. Yeah, so watch out for this one. If it's held over the 14, will be good. So low risk for this one. Yeah, low risk because if it's held, will give us a huge reversal. If it didn't, you exit. Simple as that. Really important support here. Maxwell, take profit from now, man. What you doing? Already hit mini profit, man. Um, yeah, Xwall did really great, man. 220 right now. Hallelujah is unhalted. We're gonna do a major update like what we did early on, guys. In the pre-market watches, we did the update for Xwall. The best entry was around the 76. Now is $1.24. Anyway, I think we have to wrap up our live streaming for now. In the meantime, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. See you back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, the update will be continued on our Discord and BitChance. Says, uh, come to the Discord. And of course, we're gonna do update right now to the main gainer XWall for today. In the meantime, thank you for watching, guys, and see you all back by tomorrow.